friends, welcome back to LimeRoad. So today I've recreated this morning makeup routine in just 5 steps. So watch till the end because there are a lot of pro tips in for you. So step 1 is prepping my skin. So what I'm going to use is Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 310, which is Sun Beige. And let's get started. So I've taken a really small quantity, as you can see on my finger. Trick to not use the foundation too much is add a little bit of serum or any cream or almond oil if you have whatever is available with you. So I've taken a little bit of cream since that is available right in front of me at the moment. So I use my fingers because fingers blend the makeup the best. So step 2 after I prep my skin is I do my brows. So this is by Maybelline Fashion Brow Duo Shaper. After I've lined my brows, I use the powder and just fill in the gaps. So I have Lakme 925 with me right now. Just lightly take it on my fingertip and first use it on my lips. I am not directly applying it and using my fingers. Next step right now to use the lipstick is whatever stain is left in your hand, you can use it on your cheek. Just smile and use it on your cheek. So once you're done with your cheek, the third way to use the lipstick is use it on your eyelids. Just a dab of it, not too much. After I'm done highlighting my cheekbones and my lips, Cupid's bow, I just apply a bit, just very little on my nose. So the final step to our morning makeup routine is mascara. So when you're applying a mascara, don't worry about smudging it because you can use it to your advantage. I'll show you how. What I do is take my middle finger and just smudge it right under my eye while it's still wet because it gives that depth and intensity and you don't have to apply kohl for it. Voila! My makeup is done for the day. So hope you like this 5-step morning makeup routine. I'll see you next time.